So we're gonna be trying to fix this bumper because it really is not that bad. This is mainly this piece got snapped off the top. So we got a plastic welding kit, and we'll see how that does. All right, y'all. It's actually not that bad. I've done worse. Fix these tabs. This is probably the worst part. Is I decided to fill it in from the top. Not here so much. I'm gonna actually bond all that because that was too bad. But this I did mainly on the other side. Let's see if you can see that. Just to make sure that it was gonna be nice and sturdy and feels OEM. So definitely recommend a plastic welder. Thing was freaking amazing. Even to like tab on stuff that was coming off loose. It did great. So yeah, we should have a bumper on. This harness is ripped to hell, so I'll probably have to find one of those. And I've taken off the intake so I can have space to do my work. Now let's bore scope this cylinder. Probably gonna be the most tedious and scariest part of this whole entire project. All right, y'all. Seems like the more we do, the more we take this thing apart. So okay, now we're off to everything being off. You know why? Because we're gonna turn this engine and we're gonna go ahead and hit an inspection on cylinder number 4, which is the misfire engine. Guy said he's tried to swap coils, spark plugs, didn't do it. He was sure it was the injector. So whew, you guys already know what I'm feeling right now. So let's get to it. All right, cranking this, check this out. Wow, that's what we got coming out of the cylinders right now. So not good. Long day, so you guys saw what you saw. You know, not good having water in the cylinders like that. Mainly just check cylinder 1. Oh wow, man, everything's full. So headed over to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna buy some sort of pump to pull the water out of the cylinders, and I'm gonna air compress the rest of it out. Maybe through the injector side, put air through there, and then blow it out the injector side. You know, and then add a little oil just to, you know, make sure that this shit doesn't turn into rust by the time I start the car. So right now, so far, no real rusting on the walls. Sheesh. I tell you, man, I don't even know how that happened. You know, my suspicion is probably, you know, him taking the cold packs out, and that may be leaving the engine exposed to water just getting in. Another theory, you know, we got water that probably went in through the oil drain hole where he took out the turbo before the flood came. So, you know, a ton of possibilities of what could have happened, y'all. So, you know, let's see where we go from here. I almost got the keys. I almost have every part that I need to get this car running. So, shouldn't be too much longer. Okay, I'm scoping out some of the cylinders, and overall, not even looking at walls on the side. Oops. All right. I'll lower down the cylinder a bit more, but the valves open there. Hopefully all this water intrusion in here didn't do too much damage. Let's check out this cylinder 3. Got a little bit of water in there. I should be able to dry that off and blow it, but this one will give us a good look at the walls. A little bit of scoring, or it could be, it's just tough to know because there's water coming down. Valves look okay. Well, that valve looks okay. Yeah, a lot of built up gunk. And then our trouble cylinder was this beautiful little fella over here. Let's see how far up this one is. This one still got water in it. Let's go ahead and check out walls on here. Maybe some of you guys can tell me better than I can how we're looking. So far, I haven't seen any crazy scoring. There might be a little bit of trash and stuff in here, but overall, no scoring. I mean, gotta really get a look at this piston here and see what's going on. But I gotta clean it out even better, so let's get on that. All right, next order of business, we're gonna put these injectors off. We're gonna go through these cylinder holes, or these spark plug holes, and we're gonna hopefully shoot it out the other side. And we'll clean that cylinder up, put some oil in it, a little bit of oil in it, keep it lubricated for now, until we get the key and we get this joker hopefully turning over. Okay, generally it's pretty gnarly to get out, so we'll see what happens. We'll work on that real quick. What is this? Yep, almost. Engine was filled up with water. Definitely from definitely from that oil drain tube that was taken off, and the water line was below that, so that's what happened. Wow. Okay, so here we are. Look at this guy. Try that on for size, huh? That is, oh shit, that's part of the steering rack. Good Lord. Well. Who did? Okay. Check it out. Getting some good progress in. Becoming more and more proper car as the day goes on. Have a package in here, which is the key from the last owner. Can't wait to get going. Pulled up with my buddy over here, and we'll get a free charge pipe, y'all. And I think that about does it for all the parts that I'll need to complete this car. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.